Welcome back. The stock in focus right now is NBCC. It should come up for you. The company has informed the BSE that the AIIMS, which is the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, has issued a letter of award to NBCC for the redevelopment of the AIIMS Western Campus and Ayurvigyan Nagar in New Delhi, involving a construction of 3,000 flats in 2.5 years' time, with a financial implication of 5,828 crores. Okay, that's the financial implication, and that's the reason the stock as well is up 6.5%. But this will be over the next 2.5 years. The revenue generation for commercial viability of the project would be met by selling 10% of this particular area. So NBCC would be charging 10% of the final project costs as the PMC fee and 1% for the marketing expenses on the total fund realization from the sale of the built-up area. Anup Kumar Mittal of NBCC joins in fact, to give us this news flow now. Mr. Mittal, good afternoon. I was just going through the press release where you say that the financial implications will be 5,800 crores. Just take us through when this will start coming into your books. How much are you expected to see in the first year?
You see, this is about the redevelopment of two pockets of All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi. Both are in South Delhi area, which is very prime location. So after redevelopment, almost 3,000 houses will provide to All India Institute, and plus some commercial area. And the revenue generation will be done through sale of this commercial area, and from that revenue, this entire project will be constructed. That is one.
What do you get?
We'll get 10% agency charges on construction costs and 1% on marketing sale value of the property part.
So basically you make 650 crore.
You can say, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Will this be in the first year itself?
When will it come to your books?
Only 2 days back, this order has been released by government. And now things are like this. So we'll prepare the DPR, we'll do engineering work, and it will take another 5 to 6 months time. Then hopefully from next financial year, maybe second quarter, we will be in a position to book the revenue.
How much can you book in FY17, you think?
I don't know. I can't tell you right now, because it all depends when this work will start. In case we are able to start the work in second quarter, definitely about 10 to 15% of total value we can book in first financial year.
Okay, it says 2.5 years. So you have FY17, FY18 and FY19, right?
It's 2.5 years from the date of the start of the project. Suppose our DPR is approved and all clearances are obtained by second quarter, then after that it will take 2.5 years.
So suffice to say that you'll book about 80 crores or so in FY17?
Not 80 crore, maybe about 800 crore. 800 crore.
No, but
800 crore plus our charges.
No, you said the total revenues that will come into your books will be 600 crores, right?
No, in our books, total revenue will come around 5,800 crores.
So, but that is the total cost, isn't it?
It's a total cost, including our charges, 10% and 1%.
I didn't get you, sir. How much money will you make? How much money will you make by constructing?
I will tell you like this. This cost of the construction of this project will be about 5,200 crore rupees.
The cost of constructing.
Right. And 10% over that we'll get as our charges. So it will become 5,700 odd crore. Then we'll get 1% on sale of the property. The sale will be around 6,000 crore rupees.
Okay.
So 60 crore another we'll get.
Okay.
So total 5,800 crore. As far as NBCC's profit or agency charges is concerned, we'll get 520 plus 60 crore rupees, say 600 crore rupees.
Okay, so...
but revenue booking will be the cost of the project and our charges.
Okay. And what is the total area of this entire project?
It's the total area is 65 acre land. In one pocket 40 acre and another pocket is 25 acres.
Okay. Are the flats likely to cost much more in the next 3 years? So this 5,800 is the current estimate?
It is a current estimate, and once the work will start, that's why I'm saying that I don't know what kind of revenue we'll book, but definitely there will be some price escalation. And the interesting part is these two projects are just opposite East Kirvi Nagar redevelopment, which we are doing.
Okay. So what is this amount, square feet of flat area?
You see, these 3,000 houses, 90% houses will be for All India Institute of Medical Sciences, for their doctors and for their staff.
Okay.
And commercial area will sell in market.
Okay.
And I mean, just a rough figure, I can tell you, the present market rate of that area is about 40,000 to 45,000 rupees per square feet.
Okay.
45,000 rupees per square feet. Okay. So what is the total developable area?
As I said, 65 acre means almost 60-70 lakhs square feet.
So when you say 10% is for commercial, how much is that in square feet?
Maybe 6 lakhs square feet.
Okay.
All these things we have not worked out. This is all a rough figure. Give me some more time. If you want to know all these details, after a week we can be in a better position to tell.
So we can just say that in the first year, that's in FY17, you will recognize about 800 crores or so, roughly, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Mr. Mittal. Thanks for joining us. So that's NBCC.